Good morning, students. Today we will read our last chapter of English literature, The Royal Gift. So let us read this chapter. Let us read a story about a young princess of China. In this story, we will learn about a young princess of China. Long ago in China, a mighty emperor received a gift from the ruler of another land. So it is saying that there was a mighty emperor in China who received a gift from the ruler of another place. And what do you mean by mighty? Mighty means he was very strong and powerful. A gift, where is it? Have it brought here? Your Majesty, I have come with a gift for you from my king in India. So the emperor of China is asking that where is the gift? The messenger is saying, I have brought a gift for you from the king in India. Means he has brought that gift, and who has sent? The king of India. I cannot bring it inside, your majesty. Please come outside to see it. So the messenger is saying that he cannot bring that gift inside the court. If he want to see that gift, he has to go outside. The emperor and his mandarins walked out to see the gift. Who are the mandarins? The clever people of the courts. So the emperor, the king, and the clever peoples of his court, they all went to see the gift. Here it is. What is that? I have never seen anything so big in all my life. So what the king said? What was the reaction of the king? He said that it is very big. Even I have not seen it in my whole life, such a big gift. It is called an elephant, my lord. So what the messenger said? The messenger said that it is an elephant. It is called an elephant. It looks like a hill that has come to life and walked here. So what the emperor is saying? That it looks like a big hill who has got a life and has come here by walking. The royal court was full of excitement. Word quickly spread. Word quickly spread means everybody came to know about the gift, about the elephant. Throughout the land, about the enormous creature. Enormous means large. There was one question that everyone was asking: how much does the elephant weigh? So the people of that place, the people of China, they all were full excited. They all came to know about this big gift, this big elephant, and there was a question in their mind that how much does the elephant weigh? So in this video, till here I have explained you. In the next video, I will give you the more explanation of this chapter. Thank you. Wait for the next video.